Welcome back everyone. This is Moni Singh. I am back with new chapter, that is acids, bases and salts. So if we talk about different kind of materials that we can see, that we can use in our daily life, like different kind of food or different kind of clothes or like water or medicine. What are all these things? These are different in nature, different in appearance, different in touch, different if it is like if these things are eatables, then different kind of taste. So why all these are having different kind of nature? Well, all this depends upon the chemical substances found in all these things, the chemical nature of the particular substance. So basically all the substance is having its different chemical composition, its different chemical nature, so accordingly it depends. So according to the chemical nature of substance, the substances are divided into, it can be categorized into three types: acid, base and salts. So all this depends upon the chemicals that is found in these substances. So what is acid? Well, acid is derived from a Latin word, that is acere. So it is derived from Latin word, that is acere, and which means sour. So basically acere means sours and acid is sour in taste. So acid is a substance which is sour in taste, and these are basically two types. Some are natural or organic and some are mineral acid. Second type is mineral acid. So the substance which are natural or organic, these acids are found in our nature in different kind of things that is found in our nature. Maybe few things, few eatables are having acids. So what are those kind of acids? These may be these are citric acid. Citric acid is found in orange and lots of citrus fruits, lemon, then kinu, mossami. Then next is tartaric acid. Tartaric acid is found in tamarind, unripe mango, grapes. Next is ascorbic acid. Ascorbic acid is found in amla. Next is lactic acid. Lactic acid is found in curd, milk. Apart from all these kind of acid, there are few more acids which are found in different food substances. For example, malic acid. Malic acid is found in apple, and acetic acid. Acetic acid is found in vinegar, and all the kind of eatables, different kind of food are having different kind of acid. Okay, but one thing that is very much common about acid is it is sour in taste, and basically that sour taste we can feel, we can taste in orange, tamarind, amla. So usually we feel sour taste in these kind of fruits, especially the citrus fruits. Now let us talk about mineral acid. As its name suggests, it is having lots of minerals. And what are these? These are hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid and nitric acid. If you remember, in our chapter 2 we discussed that hydrochloric acid, a little bit hydrochloric acid is produced in our stomach naturally. So that is natural acid which is produced in our stomach. But right now what we are discussing here, this hydrochloric acid, this is mineral acid. It is manufactured in laboratories, manufactured in different kind of factories, industries. Okay, and all the kind of mineral acids are having its own characteristic, own nature. But one thing that we can say, that is mineral acid are corrosive in nature. We should handle, we should use these such kind of acids, and we should be cautious while using such kind of acids, right? Now let us talk about base. Bases are different in nature than acid. These two materials like acid, these two substances, acid and bases, are completely different in nature. Okay, So the taste of base is bitter. And what is the taste of acid? It is sour in taste, खट्टा होता है. But if we talk about base, it is bitter, कड़वा होता है taste में, right? You might have seen your mom sometimes she uses sometimes baking soda. Baking soda while cooking, while baking, maybe some kind of cake if she is making, that in that case baking soda is utilized. So that baking soda is basic in nature, and you just try to take a pinch of baking soda, put it over your tongue, and you will feel a bitter taste. That bitter taste is basic, due to basic in nature, because this base is basic in nature. Okay, now one more characteristic of base, it is soapy in touch. That means slippery in touch. If you will touch a base like baking soda, if you will try to touch it, then it will be like slippery. You will feel a little bit soapy, slippery. So this is the nature of base. It is bitter in taste and slippery in touch. There are some bases which are water soluble. Those bases are called alkali. But all bases are not water soluble. Okay. Now let us discuss about different types of bases. Sodium hydroxide, also known as caustic soda. What is its another name? Caustic soda, and it is found in soap, right? Next is potassium hydroxide. This is known as caustic potash. What is its name? It is caustic potash, and it is also found in soap. That means the soap that we use while bathing, that soap is having base. That is why sometimes our eyes, like हमारी आँखों में आंसू आ जाते हैं when कभी-कभी सोप जब आईज में चला जाता है, सोप का वाटर. So why it is so? Because of base that is found in soap, and base is bitter in taste. So हमारे eyes में कड़वाहट से आंसू आ जाते हैं. So this is found in soap. So bases are found in soap. Next is calcium hydroxide, slaked lime. It is also known as lime water. So much bases are there. So many bases are found. And there are different uses of bases as well, but we'll discuss about bases later. We'll discuss about different types of bases and their uses. Now next is salt. Salt is a substance which is produced when acids reacts with base. So salt is a product of reaction between acid and base. When hydrochloric acid reacts with sodium hydroxide, then sodium chloride is formed and water is also formed. What is this sodium chloride? This is salt. In fact, this sodium chloride is common salt that we use for cooking. जो नमक हम खाते हैं, common salt, that is sodium chloride. So that sodium chloride is formed by the reaction of when hydrochloric acid reacts with sodium hydroxide, then only sodium chloride is formed, which is salt. So salt is a product of reaction between acid and base, and such kind of reaction is called neutralization reaction. It neutralizes the effect of acid as well as base. So this is what salt. I hope you understood each and everything. Just have a look on the screen. We'll discuss about all these things in detail in my next video.